Hey guys, Hugh Sullivan, Liquid Stone Finishes here. We're in the midst of putting a splatter finish down. This is polymer modified cement that we spray out of a gun. It's for an anti-slip application. After we get done this, we'll lightly accent it. So this is light gray, or they call Oxford gray. We'll lightly accent it with what you call dark gray. So it's a little prettier to look at, and then we'll trowel on the decorative border all the way around the inside edge, so you get a really cool look without breaking the bank and having us. And we could tape out a bluestone pattern with color washing and crazy all across the surface, but let us turn your mess into a success.